This snow is deep. Yeah, I'm having fun. Blizzard though. Blizzard. I like blizzards. I love snow. It's so fun. I'm gonna make a snowman today. Maybe. Real deep snow. But I'm here for you. I'm here to empower you. I'm here to motivate you. I'm here to tell you to focus. You know, yeah, focus. For you, and you, whoever's watching today. I'm here to motivate you. It took me a few years to figure out what I wanted to do on YouTube. Yeah, because I travel around. I thought it'd be traveling events, but you know, although I travel, I'm a motivator. I like to inspire people to do better. And if you're not doing good, I'm going to help you do good. I'm the cleanup woman. Yeah, sure am. I'm going to help you clean up your agenda so you can make a YouTube video. And when I learn something, I'm going to pass it on to y'all. You know, I'm Gen X and I learn a lot from the young folks. YouTube is a learning experience. It took me years to figure out what I want to actually do. I started doing a lot of different things and I mixed up the algorithm. They didn't know Granny too well because Granny didn't know the algorithm either, but now I do. Yes, know all about the SEOs and everything. Now Granny knows the algorithm and the audience. And if y'all are in the right place, well, I'm going to call you to action and ask you to subscribe. I have a wonderful community. We are all like-minded people. I'm inverted. My audience targeted is over 40. But young folks tune in too. It's family friendly here with your poor granny. My name is Miss Lori, and I have to teach myself to talk fast because I have a slow drag in my speech. I sure do. I don't like to talk fast, but I've had to learn to talk faster. Yeah. And to be on subject by using notes, bullet points, stay on subject, yeah. And to engage. Engagement. Yes, I'm so happy we're engaged. I get to go on a date with y'all every day. Yeah, so make a comment. Comment. Engagement. That's very important on YouTube, y'all. So, you know, call people to action. Don't forget to call them to action. Whatever you need, you gotta call people to action. And if you believe in it, put action into the comments. Then I know you made it this far because I'm gonna go before I end up in a snowdrift. It's chilly, it's cold, but it's fucking fun. Don't cuss. It's against the community guidelines. It's freaking far out here, and y'all are far out too. I'm not normal, I'm a little on the weird end. I'm an inverted, and I love my own company, and we have a lens between us. So, it's nice to see y'all. See y'all in the next video. Toodaloo. Hello, all my beautiful people. With Granny here. Look how deep the snow is. The snow is deep. But I'm here making a video for you. Ooh, look at that. The poor birdies. They're gonna have to be dug out like everyone else. We're in a blizzard. In a blizzard, folks. Isn't it beautiful? I don't know when it's gonna let up, but yeah, Granny's up north. But I'm making a video so y'all can see. Look at the fire pit. Look at the fire pit. The fire pit. Look how much snow is on the fire pit, y'all. That's a lot of snow. I think about 2 feet. 2 feet of snow. Look at the chairs. Look at the chairs. Look at my light. Well, it's not my light. I'm up north. I'm up north. And yeah, we're in a blizzard. But I'm making a video because I thought y'all might want to see this. You know it's Vlogmas. Vlogmas. In year 2026, well, it's going to be a good wet one. Yeah, when the snow melts. It's beautiful out here. Y'all beautiful too. Bye-bye for now. See you in the snap.